Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of styling on this wig. Now this is Payton. Payton is gorgeous, human hair from Amore. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So let's get this curled. So I said what I'd do is a little bit of styling with you to get it a little bit different. So when you do buy any kind of human hair wig, it will come like this. So human hair in the way it comes. So unstraight, uncurled, just kind of like natural vibes. So what I'm doing is I'm going to curl this one, and you think, oh, I don't know if I want it curly. Don't worry about it. It's human hair, put the straighteners through it and turn it straight. Or this might be just the desired texture for you. And she is gorgeous. So this one is ready for the holidays. And I think it's definitely a lovely style. So what I do when I do the curls, especially when I'm doing bobs, and I'm doing little curls on bobs, I don't want it to look like a hat or overdone. I need it to look a little bit broken. So I mean, for instance, this piece here, we can see, can't we, that needs a bit more curl. But I would rather put a bit more curl in than put too much in, and it'd be really hard to take out, because ultimately we still want this to look fashionable and trendy and give us those nice kind of vibes. Okay, so now at this stage we probably can move the wig and the hair around. So let's get our young lady to shake. Shake, shake, shake. And now let's have a little look at how she's sitting. So I think this is looking great. So now I'm just gonna give her a little bit of a workaround. And I have a little bit of protecting holding spray. Just gonna put a small dash of this in to give us that finish. This is Payton. Okay, Payton has been styled in cappuccino today. Here she is, curled, made really, really cool. Looks really lovely. Happy holidays from me, Alexander, all of us at René of Paris. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye, everyone.